Unilathe, and they have just invested in a brand new Kitamura machine from Dugard, the HX500IG machine. Andrew, you've got other Kitamuras here, haven't you? Why do you keep going back for this brand?
I think with the Kitamuras, we're obviously developing a strategy internally, but specifically to the machines, clearly we've got a Japanese branded machine from a quality perspective, rigidity, speed, tool mag sizes, accuracy, and with our constant drive for performance and OEE efficiency, Kitamura really fits the bill for us.
Well, prior to this interview, it was quite interesting because I spoke to one of your operators and he said the speed of this machine scares them in a good way. So why is it so fast? Why is speed of the essence for you?
So we've got obviously twin boxway slides on there, big rapid speed, 60 metres a minute on rapids. So the type of componentry we're looking at, we've got a lot of tools in there, so a lot of features to machine. So fast tool changer, fast rapids are really important to get that cycle time down and really look for performance and maintaining competitiveness on that type of product.
Absolutely. Now you've gone for, this is your 4, so you've got 630s. So why did you go for the smaller table? Because this is a 500. Bearing in mind it's a big table anyway for a horizontal.
So yeah, so I think the range for us is important. I mean, clearly as a business we go from quite small components, so hence 500 size table capacity through to 630, 800 a metre. So really the components for us vary so much in size and complexity that really crossing that size range is really important, again, to maximise efficiency.
I guess you're kind of tick boxing all of the sizes so you can work with everyone. Materials, what are you putting on here and what's it capable of?
So generally cast steel, cast iron, so we're looking for, again, high speed, so high torque spindle, which is really important for the material types and the amount of stock material that we're removing.
Now you just said about high torque. There is a different speed and torque to the other machines, isn't there?
Yes.
Ever so slightly. Why have you gone for that?
I think really just, whilst we're on a smaller machine size, it's really important that we've got the power for the type of componentry to put on, you know, that we're putting on the machines.
Absolutely, and it's a BT50.
BT50 back end on all the machines across the board.
And this is one of the fastest machine tools in the world that are box guideways, is that correct?
Yes, absolutely, yeah.
And so what do you find from that? You know, what do you get from these speeds?
I think for us, it's about maintaining the strategy that we're deploying with our OEM customers, making sure that we're looking to become a world-class manufacturing facility. To do that, you've got to embrace the most modern technology. And with that, you get that from the Kitamuras by having clearly the class-leading speed and spec with the machine tool.
And these machines, they're production machines. So how are you running these?
So generally speaking, at the moment we're running across 2 shifts. So I guess that's Monday to Friday. Currently running on some overtime at the weekends. But certainly, pandemic aside, previously to pandemic, we'd operate some 3-shift patterns. 24/7 working.
All on these?
All on the machines. So the machine gives us the flexibility, they give us the accuracy, and they also give us the reliability to ensure that we can meet customer demand, whether that be on, let's say, basic requirements or whether that be on 24/7 running.
You've kind of covered absolutely everything already, but this machine, sum it up, why have you gone for it and is it working for you now and why?
Without a doubt, I think speed, rigidity, maintains competitiveness. You know, they're a good brand, good machine, and you can see the reason why we are going down that strategy of trying to emphasise that and offer that to the customer.